In this video I am going to talk about 132 kV substation. First of all, you can see there 132 kV tower and dangerous board here available, and here is a apex metering panel, and this is a CT current transformer, you know this. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am going to talk about 132 kV substation. As you can see my back side, 132 kV Upkendra, you know, this is substation. So in this substation I will tell you that in this substation which types of instrument fixed here, and it's as well as it's working. In this video I will tell you. So guys, first of all, before going to in field, first of all we should learn about the precaution, because electrical engineers precaution is very crucial, and first of all safety, and as you can see me, and this is my head helmet, and he protect my head. So guys, let's go on field, and so guys, I will tell you that let me tell you that in this substation how to come line and how to go, and how to convert high voltage to low voltage by transformer. So guys, first of all you can see there 132 kV tower, and that is a two circuit, double circuit tower, and from one side line coming and second side line going. So guys, here you can see a lot of instruments available fixed here in 132 kV substation. So guys, first of all, here you can see this is lighting arrestor, and its work he measuring lighting, and second is that this is PT, you know, it's full form current transformer, and it's working, it is measuring current on high voltage, and so this is PT, you know, its full form potential transformer, and it's working, and he measuring voltage on high voltage. So guys, my next instrument here, you can say this is isolator. This is isolator, and you can say this is RYB isolator, and you can say here three isolators open, and you can say in this substation two bus coupler, 132 kV, two bus couplers available here, and the first bus coupler is here and second is there. So guys, here you can say this is a trench, and it is at 1.2 meter deep, and from in this trench a lot of wires is going on 132 kV control room, and here my next instrument is the isolator, and here fixed here vacuum tube circuit breaker, and it is manual operated, you can say. So guys, isolator always manual operated, and he is working on circuit breaker, and this is automatic control by 132 kV substation. And guys, after that here once again fixed isolator, and you can say this isolator close situation, and so when he closed, so right now in this bus couplers charging right now. So guys, from here once after that once again similar fixed a lot of instrument, like this is isolator and circuit breaker, 132 kV circuit breaker, and once again once again isolator, and after that you know, CT, PT, and potential transformer. So guys, here you can see from there is going line another substation. So guys, let me tell you that how to convert low voltage to high voltage to low voltage by transformer. So guys, let me see you. So guys, right now I am standing in front of 132 kV control room, and so now I am entering into the control room, and So here you can say a lot of instrument, a lot of measuring tools available. And so guys, here you can say EMCO limited 132 30 kV transformer instrument, measuring instrument. Here you can say temperature instrument, and this is temperature instrument. And here is from here control circuit breaker who available, who fixed on field. So guys, here you can say a lot of insulators available here. And one disc, this insulator of one disc 11 kp, and you can calculate. And so guys, this insulators available on there. And you can say this is a strand type insulator, and who insulator on vertical, so this is called suspension type insulator. And who insulator is horizontal, so this is called strand type insulator. So guys, here's firefighting instrument available, because anyway here substations firing, so in that time you can use this firefighting instrument. So guys, here you can say 20 MVA transformer, and this is a 20 MVA transformer, and this is step down transformer, and he converted 132 33 kV. So guys, here this is radiator, and he is cooling always. He is cooling around the clock of radiator, because he is safe from heating. And so guys, here you can say this is lighting arrestor, and this is CT, and this is a circuit breaker, and this is isolator. And here you can say this is from this isolator, this bus coupler is charging right now. And so minus instruments here available. Once again isolator, and this is right now this is closed situation. And so after that once again available fixed here circuit breaker. After that this is a current transformer 32 kV. After that once again insulator and isolator. And so guys, here you can say this isolator is open situation. And here is second bus coupler, 32 kV bus coupler. And guys, here you can say this is so guys, in this time I am standing in front of 33 kV control room. So guys, let's come, and I am entering into the 33 kV control room. So here you can say first of all this is a DENSYS board here available, and here you can say roasting, breakdown, shutdown. So right now, so you can say this is a apex metering panel, and 33 kV capacitor, bank control and relay panel. And here you can say this is panel. You can say different feeder for panels available here. And here you can say Jaunpur town, Purvanchal, Jaunpur town, Sarai Khwaja panel here available. So this is very dangerous, and I can't touch this panel, because you know for an engineer is safety is very significant. And so village of you can say Hadil powerhouse. So here you can see my back side a lot of instruments here related. This is from here, this is 32 kV instruments here. And this is, you can say here is a oil tank available, because it's oil filling on in transformer. And for this is cooling, you can say this is cooling for cooling. And so guys, here you can say my back side a lot of 32 kV so instruments available here. And guys, here you can say this is a small stone here, because in the substations not collected any water when raining time, no any water collected here. So here you can say this is 132 kV substation. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you like my video. And so if you like my video, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So press the bell icon button and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Thank you so much.